Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and have not subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out if you like what you saw on today's video. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell to all so you don't miss any of the videos that I drop here on this channel. In today's video, I have a review for you guys. I'm really excited about this review because these nail tips that I am reviewing are actually really nice, you guys. And I don't like just any nail tips. I will tell you that right now, right off the bat. Nail Couture is my main go-to full covered nails. This is the company Una Gela. They are on Amazon. It is a nail tips and glue gel kit. Almost every company sells them, but I'll tell you what, if the full covered nails that are in the kit don't fit good or don't look good or don't feel good, you don't really want to buy the whole kit. Am I right? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Over on Amazon, you can get these full coverage square for $24.99. If I do get a discount code, of course, you guys will already know it'll be in my description box or I will put it here on the screen. You get 240 pieces. If you don't like the square, you guys, they do have other options. I do have to say this seller was super nice, super kind, so sweet, and that is what makes me get on here and do a video review right away. I do have a little rant before I get started. With some companies, they want you to review their products. They tell you you have to have a video done by a certain date, or they tell you you need to do this or you need to do that. We're the ones doing the daggone video. We're the ones putting in all the hard work. There are a lot of other things in my life that I'm working on right now. Like, it's not just a video for them. So when companies like this one come to me and they're nice and they're kind and they're patient and they don't care how long it takes, as long as you make good quality content, they're there for you. They will work with you. They will stand by you. And I just wanted to say a huge thank you to her for not pushing me. They do come with a little instruction manual showing you how you can apply them if you'd like. Comes with your 250 piece nail tips. I like the shape. I like the way they hug my nail. They hug it like it's just, they're perfect. I like them. I do have mine already sized out and I want to make sure the nail goes from one side wall to the other without pressing down. Make sure it fits by the cuticle. If not, go ahead and just take a file and file that part. Go ahead and buff the surface shine. So make sure your nails are prepped and ready. I do have a new prep video. I will link it in the cards. In this kit, it came with some really cute like little nail charms. Now they do offer a tiny little Una Gela flash cure light. It's got the 4 LEDs up top, got your little touchpad there in the center. You do plug it in here in the back. I won't be using this today, you guys. So they also include the cord. And then they also offer a nail glue for nail tips. Oh yeah, it's nice and thick. You can use this as a base coat. You can use it to apply the nails. You can use it for applying the gemstones. Like, there's many uses for these nail tip gels. So as you guys can see here, I have my right hand done. I did a little reel on Instagram of these nails. This idea came from Femi. Now, if it wasn't for her, I would not know how to do a cat eye. I have never really known. I mean, I know there's not a wrong way to do a cat eye, but there is definitely the best way. And this way is pretty freaking awesome. Femi did a video the other day and I was like, holy crap. I have to do a video to show you guys these gorgeous cat eye gels and how you can use them to get like a gemstone effect or like a jewel. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my nail glue. All right, once the foil glue has completely dried, now you can take the Una Gela nail glue. Right, you're gonna go ahead and apply the gel down by the cuticle area. You're gonna go ahead and apply that just like so. Give that a cure. Apply it at the cuticle. Make sure your light is on and ready. Go ahead and apply it. I'm gonna flash cure it real quick, and you're just gonna continue to do the same steps. All right, once you have all the nails applied, give that a full 60-second cure. All right, you guys, I went ahead and went around my cuticles and all that good stuff. Now I'm gonna take my Kawaii Claws base coat, go in with a coat of base. Go ahead and apply that. This is one of my favorite base coats. So once you apply your base, give that a 30-second cure. What I thought we could do is go in first with number 214 by Nail Couture. This is a new Flash Star Gel. Look at that. Isn't that yummy? This is just going to be like my base color. And honestly, I don't even know if it's gonna show up. I hope so. So we're gonna apply that. Look at that gorgeous glitter. I'm gonna apply that to all the nails. All right, I got number 214 applied to all of my nails. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a full cure. You're gonna need a magnet, and the magnet that I'm using is this one. You need one that kind of pushes the magnet pieces in the gel, and this one works fantastic. So I'm gonna go in this number 36. This is out of the Jelly Bean collection on Nail Couture. It is a Galaxy Space Kitty 5D cat eye. Go ahead and put your cat eye on right over the top of your glitter. I'm gonna also link Femi's video in my description so you can go check out her video that she did. She also made a custom cat eye gel. All right, this is where the fun comes in. Take your magnet and you're going to like push the cat eye into the center of the nail. Push, push, pull it back out if you need to pull it back out. And then do the same to this one. You see how it's like pushing up? Push it into the center of the nail like so. And that's how you get that beautiful shimmer down the center. Let me pull this one back out a little. There we go. See that? Ooh, look at that, y'all. All right, so that's how I'm gonna do all these nails. Okay, look at that. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a full cure. All right, once you have your cat eye on there, you can leave it like that, or you can build it up more. I'm gonna take the Ultra Star, also a Galaxy Space Kitty, and it's like a silver. You're gonna go right over the top of what you've got. Go right over the top of that. Go ahead and do that to all your nails. Once we have that on all the nails, you're gonna do the same thing. Take that magnet, you're gonna push that color up into the center of the nail. Push it up, 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 up. Just like that. Now I will say some cat eyes work better than others. All right guys, there we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a full cure. All right, I'm gonna take my Kawaii Claws top coat and I'm gonna go ahead and just seal everything in with a top coat. Cap your free edge, cure your top coat for 60 seconds. I'm gonna use my Squeezy gummy jelly for the big stones. The free edge of all the nails, I'm gonna put a little bit of the Squeezy jelly. That is gonna hold these cute little bears. I think they go to a clear or something. But I thought they matched perfect and they're so cute. Make sure they're centered, before you do a cure. I'm gonna go ahead and do a freeze cure. Put a bead right at the cuticle, just a small one. And I got these little hearts from Shein that have that same kind of like cat eye glow right there. These little hearts right by the cuticle, and then do a freeze cure. All right, I'm gonna take my Kawaii Claws top coat again. Just gonna put a little bit right here in the center of this nail here. Right in the center. Then I'm gonna take some of these little rhinestones that she sent. Some of them have like a beautiful glow, and that is the ones I want to use. Just randomly all over the nail. Go ahead and do a full cure. Wow, look, it matches the mat. Look at that, y'all. And that is it. Look at that freaking glow. Look at the cat eye, y'all. Here is the one I did the other day. Okay, these are the Maximum Stilettos by Eno Couture, and this is how I did this set. If you guys saw it on Instagram, then you already know. Look how beautiful. And this is layering the cat eyes as well. Okay, and here are the ones we did today. All right, let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. What do y'all think of this way of doing cat eye gels? This could be old news, but to me it's new, so I had to come out and show you guys. For the Una Gela nail tips and nail tips kit, I am gonna give them 5 baby girl nails. I love these nail tips. I will be using them again. They are super flat and they do not have a curve, so if you do like that style, you are gonna like these nail tips. Thank you, Nancy, for sending these to me for review purposes. I hope you all did enjoy today's video. Sending you lots of love and light. Don't forget, take what resonates. Take what works for you and leave the rest right here for someone else. God bless y'all. Bye.